Let's get right into it. Let's start moving. We're going to stretch it out to start. Get nice and warm. 10 minutes of low impact movement, functional fitness, just to help us move through our day with ease and strength. Take real ownership of our energy, of our health. Got into some priming yesterday, breath work, gratitude practice. We're going to continue on that theme today. I really do like to think of it as we take control. We own our energy rather than letting everyone else out there, social media, the news, other people, take ownership of our attention, our focus, our energy. Nope, we are the stewards of our own health. Let's go a couple minutes. Let's get the body nice and warmed up before we get into the real meat of the workout. Focus on our breath. A bit of gratitude practice again today, so that after 10 minutes, we're feeling alive, energized, inspired to go be that best version of ourselves. Okay, let's drive up the knee, engage your core. Every session we do, we're building strength, developing balance. It's all there. Cardiovascular endurance. We just want to move more so that we feel better. I want to take it to a deeper level so we get the absolute most out of each session, most out of each day. I want to take these into the first thing we do in the morning. Before anything, what would I want? I don't want to scroll. I want to get energized. I want to focus on the things that really matter to me. Focus on the things where I can affect change rather than all the massive problems in the world that there's nothing I can do about. And it just keeps me depleted in a state of lack as opposed to being empowered. What can I do? I can hold the door open for somebody. I can pick up a piece of trash. I can say a kind word. The smallest things can have huge differences. All right. Cross body. Great mobility in the hips. Always go at your pace. Modify as needed. We're not comparing ourselves to anybody. True nobility. Just being a little bit better than you were last month, last week, yesterday. If you're growing, that's what matters. Okay. Shake that out. The breath is so powerful. We bring our attention to our breathing. We're not thinking anything else. We're getting rid of that monkey mind a bit. Let's take a couple minutes of real intentional breathing. Get into a bit of a squat. Whatever's best for you. If you have to stand straight up, you move, that's fine. But we're just going to go a little side to side. So we're engaging the obliques, so we're getting some good core stability work in here. But bring all your attention into your breathing. Real deep breathing. Just keep going. Side to side. And keep that breath work going. Well, maybe it doesn't sound amazing listening to me with the deep breaths. So breathe in, breathe out. Intentionally breathe deeply in and out. Breathe in and out. Deepest breath you possibly can. And out. Breathe in, out. Breathe in, out. A couple more. Breathe in. One last one. Breathe really deeply in and out. Great. Let's go. Brisk walk. And again, deep breath. Real intentional breathing. Notice how amazing it oxygenates your body. Fully breathe in. Fully in. And out. Pump those arms. Drive the legs. Heat up that body. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in. Breathe in. Real intention. Real intention. Breathe in all the way in and out. Breathe in and can you get your arms going like this? Breathe in and flush it out. Fully in and out. Breathe in. Breathe in and out. One more. Breathe fully in and out. Brilliant. Slow down for a moment. Slow down. Intentional breathing still, just slower. There's really deep intentional breaths in out. Tumo breathing, ancient practice. You can do it for several minutes. Can really transform your whole inner state and being. They're just little seeds we're planting. Just maybe some ideas to take forward. Okay, let's step, little squat. Step, tiny squat. I'm going to bring my feet together, come down. Just notice how you feel. Go as deep as you would like in your squat. We're just moving. Intentional with your breath work. When we connect the breath to the movement, union or yoga. Yoga is not postures and asanas. It's a real transformation. Developing spiritually, physically, and mentally at the same time. Bringing it all together. Yes. Let's go right into just gonna step just for a couple. And then let's touch. If you can't quite touch your toes, wherever you're at is perfect. Do your best. Stick with me. And back into a toe tap. Now, should we get the arms swinging? Getting the heart rate up. And touch. Couple more. Right into our next move. Single leg. Just reaching the leg back, arm forward. Building balance, stability. Engage your core. Connect your breath. To the movement. As best you can. 3, 2, 1. Brilliant. Shake that out. Talked about gratitude yesterday. I'm going to start, again, back to that. Just a step, the squat. I'm going to go a little bit further, just to build some flexibility. I want you to take one thing you're grateful for. As you do this move, as you bring your breath to the move, little bit. 2 minutes of gratitude practice. Being grateful for the ability to move. Grateful for the beating of your heart. Having legs that move you. The simplicity. We have so much to choose from. Find. Last one. Shake that out. Continue being grateful for the same thing. The beating of your heart. Your lungs. Expanding. Contracting. Digestion. Just doing its thing. Keep moving. The support of one person out there. Now touch. Attention into that. Yeah. Grateful for a little sweat, maybe a warm body. All right. Last move. Reach it out. Grateful for showing up. A little gratitude to yourself. Quite possibly. You can love that person in the mirror. Be grateful for them. Ooh, you have a lot more to offer to others. You do matter. You keep showing up. You should be grateful to yourself. Yes. Couple more. We're almost there. 1. Shake it out. That's it. Just a moment. Connect your breath. Just notice the breathing. Set your intention for the day. If you're just starting your day, what's left of it, just be real intentional. Notice the monkey mind. When it wanders off, bring it back into the moment, into the breath. Choose something to be grateful for in moments of difficulty and struggle. We can always focus on what's good. Focus on what's good as opposed to what's wrong in the world. Both are available. We get to choose. Comment. Job done. You keep doing it. You keep showing up. It truly does matter. I will see you again tomorrow.